Welcome, in front of me I have Infinix Hot 9 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the power saving mode on this device. First, let's open the quick panel. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen twice, then swipe left to go to the next page, and here we have battery saver icon. Tap on it to enable the mode and tap on it again to disable it. You can also press and hold on this icon to go to the battery saver settings, and here we have AI Smart Strategy Reminder option. We can enable it or disable it. We can also select the preset for it. We have auto preset, like this, or active settings. And here we can adjust the time. We can tap on start time, change the time, like that, and end time. Okay, let's turn it off. And below we have battery saver. Let's tap on it. Here we can tap set as schedule, and then select based on percentage. And right here we can adjust the percentage. For example, let's set it to 20. And now our battery saver will turn on after our battery reaches 20% or below. Okay. And we have option also called turn off when fully charged, and we can turn it on and off. And at the bottom we have turn on now, and we can tap on it to enable the power saving mode, and we can tap on turn off now to disable it, like that. And that's how you enable the power saving mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.